ingredients. For the dough: 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, water, as needed oil or ghee. For cooking: for the paneer filling, 200 grams paneer, crumbled 1 small onion, finely chopped 1 green chili, finely chopped 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves, chopped. For garnish: instructions. In a mixing bowl, combine the whole wheat flour and salt. Gradually add water and knead the dough until it is soft and pliable. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15–20 minutes. In a separate bowl, crumble the paneer and add finely chopped onion, green chili, cumin seeds, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Divide the dough into small portions and roll each portion into a small disc. Place a spoonful of the paneer filling in the center of the disc. Bring the edges of the disc together to seal the filling inside and shape it into a round ball. Flatten the ball gently with your hands. Dust the flattened ball with some flour and roll it out into a circular paratha, ensuring that the filling is evenly spread and doesn't come out. Heat a tawa or griddle over medium heat. Place the rolled paratha on the hot tawa and cook for a minute or until small bubbles start to form on the surface. Flip the paratha and spread a little oil or ghee on the cooked side. Cook for another minute or until golden brown spots appear. Flip again and apply oil or ghee on the other side. Press gently with the spatula to ensure even cooking. Cook the paratha until it is cooked through and golden brown on both sides. Remove from the tawa and repeat the process with the remaining dough and filling. Serve the hot and freshly cooked paneer parathas with yogurt, pickle, or any chutney of your choice. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy the delicious and fluffy paneer parathas as a main course or as a snack. These flavorful and protein-packed parathas are sure to satisfy your cravings and become a favorite in your household.